In this video, I'm going to be talking about the EE SIM card and showing you an UK activation. I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up and activate any EE SIM card model. This includes the pay-as-you-go models and any other ones. So to do this, you can do it fully online by visiting the official website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, you will have to go over to this page, activate your SIM/eSIM. You can look for this on Google or access this link in the address bar directly. Alternatively, go over to the SIM help page and find this article, Activate and Set Up a New SIM. Once again, just look for this on Google, on the official EE website, and then you can click on these links here, Activate Your New SIM Online. By clicking on this link, you are redirected to this page, and you will find all of the main options to activate your SIM card. So they are going to give you the options to activate your eSIM, so through a digital download or replacement pack, and finally a physical SIM card. I'm going to use this as an example here, but you can choose any other option. Keep in mind that if you got a replacement for a lost, stolen, or damaged SIM, then it should already be activated. If it is, then you just have to pop it into your device, turn it on, and it should work flawlessly. Alternatively, after you put on the SIM on your device, call them on this number here, 150 using an EE phone, or this alternative number if not using an EE phone. So once you choose any of these options, if you still need to activate the SIM card, you will be able to get it done. So for the physical SIM option, what they are going to do is text you a one-time PIN that you have to input here to activate the card. So just input your mobile number and then send the PIN. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this process on screen, but as soon as you input your mobile number, you will receive the one-time PIN that you can input back on this website, and they will be able to activate your SIM card for you right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate your EE SIM card in the UK. If this video helped you with the EE SIM card UK activation, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.